Five little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only four little ducks came back.
Four little ducks went out to play through the grass and down the bay. Mama duck said
Quack, 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 quack,
but only three little ducks came back.
three little ducks played hide and seek. They hid behind the bubbling creek. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only two little ducks came back.
Two little ducks went out for fun. They splashed around in the morning sun. Mama duck said
Quack, 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 quack,
but only one little duck came back.
one little duck was feeling shy. He looked up at the big blue sky. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only one little duck came back. Hey.
Five little ducks danced all around. They flapped their wings without a sound. They shook their tails and spun with glee, as happy ducks can be.
They made a line and marched in a row.
Mama said, let's go, let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, quack, quack. The duck parade is coming back.
Five little ducks got sleepy too. They yawned and stretched and said,
I do. Mama duck said quack, quack, good night, and tucked them into morning light. The duckies dream and rest, snuggled close in Mama's nest. Nighty night, no more quack. Tomorrow they'll be wise.